this web tutorial, we are going to work with our two Linux images. If you remember, we have a primary image from the SSH lab, and we have a secondary, or what we call B, or second copy of the image. So what we've done is I have my first image. I started up the VS FTP daemon, and on the B, notice also you can tell here's Candido 2, which is tied to B, and here's Candido, which is just my Fedora 15, which I've been using most of the semester. So over on the B, I'm going to start the service. And I get the OK, and I can type the FTP command. So FTP, we're going to do in a Linux environment and not Windows. And here I am, and I do a question mark. And look at all the commands I get, much more than what I got with the Windows client. And you can see I can make directories, all Unix commands or derivatives of the Unix command. It's going to open up to the IP over here, so let's verify. 192.168.1.101, the one we've been using all along. So we're going to come to my B, or second, and we're going to type 192.168.1.101. I'm going to hit enter, and it says enter the name. And notice the server name is given here, which is this machine, and you can verify that. And don't get confused, I'm on 2. So I'm on 2, or the B, and I'm going to pull information from here in files to here. So I am now going to give in my username, enter in SSH, I'm sorry, it's SSH guess. And the password is guest123. And I am in. Now notice the default mode on Unix is binary. So I'm going to switch to ASCII, or I could just type ASC. Beautiful. And I can do a PWD, and I'm actually on this machine here looking at files, and I'm going to change it to home B Candido. Beautiful. Notice the LCD means on this machine the local change directory, and the CD over here is a different one. So now I'm going to do an ls-l. And notice the -L switch works on Unix to Unix transfer, and it tells me the information over here. And then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to get the lab FTP message. I'm going to bring it from this machine to this machine. And it got it. And do you remember where I put it? Well, if I remember correctly, I did an LCD to home B Candido. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't be doing that here. I should know better. And I'm going to say no. I'm going to say bye. And what that did is it closes the port conversation in this machine and shuts down the FTP. I'm going to go to home B Candido, and my file should be there. And here it is right here. Beautiful.